Again, if you want to see more interesting video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Please feel free to leave us a comment. This is very important support for us. Thanks you. Sweet and sour chicken drumsticks. The outer layer of the chicken drumsticks is wrapped with a plump sweet and sour sauce, and you can even eat a crispy batter in the mouth. The chicken is tender and delicious, slightly sour with sweet and spicy flavor, and appetizing. Cut off the fascia at the joints of the chicken thighs, turn the meat down along the bones, and turn it into a stick chicken ball. Using this method to marinate the chicken thigh meat will be more delicious and easier to eat. Tips: 1. Mix low-gluten flour and cornstarch to make a crispy paste, which can make the fried chicken drumsticks more crispy, and the outer clothing will not become soft after a while. 2. Deep fried chicken thigh sticks twice, can force out the excess fat in the meat, can achieve the effect of crispy and not greasy. Prepare ingredients. 7 chicken shanks. Marinate, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and rice wine. 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sugar, white pepper, various parts of sesame oil. Crisp powder, 5 tablespoons low-gluten flour. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Baking powder. 6 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon oil. Sweet and sour sauce, 4 tablespoons of Thai sweet chicken sauce. 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and chili juice. 1 tablespoon each of sugar and white vinegar. 3 tablespoons of water. 2 teaspoons cornstarch water. Step: wash the chicken thighs, wipe them dry, use scissors to cut the meat and tendons along the bones, then pull the meat down to the bottom along the bones, gradually turn the meat down, let the chicken skin inside, and serve as a chicken thigh stick. If there is any sticky part, use a knife to scrape off the meat. Add the prepared chicken drumstick sticks to all the marinade, mix well, marinate for 30 minutes, set aside. Mix all the crispy powders, mix well to form a powdery paste, and let stand for about 30 minutes. While adding water, add it slowly while mixing, so that no particles will form. Standing still can make the crispy batter fried more crispy. Dip the marinated chicken thigh sticks with crispy paste. Then put it in a frying pan, fry it over a medium to small fire, and pick it up. Turn up the heat again, wait until the temperature of the oil rises, then add the chicken thigh sticks and fry until crispy, then remove the oil. To make a sweet and sour sauce, mix all the sweet and sour sauces and boil, then add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and boil until the sauce is thick. To turn off the heat, pour the fried chicken thigh sticks into the pan and mix well, and let the sweet and sour sauce evenly coat the surface.